Without language, one cannot talk to people, understand them, and cannot share their hopes and aspirations. In our Successful Fijian segment tonight, we take a look at the journey of an aspiring multilingual former Fiji citizen who is teaching Spanish and Turkish languages. Josea Nanunga with this success story.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.
The humble beginnings of Abdullah Kutub Rabbani has made it possible for him to accomplish his dream in becoming a Turkish translator.
After I studied Turkish, after I qualified from the university with my diploma in Turkish studies, I was teaching. I straight away got onto the field of teaching Turkish to the foreign experts and foreign consulate staff.
Kutub Rabbani, who spent his pioneer stages of life in Fiji, says capacity building knows no barrier, and that was his motto that brought him this far.
I was teaching Spanish, English, and Turkish to foreigners, and English language and Spanish language, and sometimes Urdu language as well to the students in Turkey.
The untimely demise of his father has made him capitalize on what life has to offer, solely for the betterment of his family.
Art of life and living. So I capitalized on this to enrich my life, to embed my life with good qualities of things, and take responsibility of looking after my mom and looking after my brothers and sisters.
When asked on any advice to fellow Fijians, he says youths who still have everything in the tank must keep on striving for their goals.
When we are young, when we are energetic, when we have time on hand, when our health is good, when our faculties, hearing faculty and seeing faculty, everything is good and working and all in place and order, we must utilize all this to free ourselves from the enslavement of this world.
Kutub Rabbani, who is currently visiting Fiji, says moving to Turkey was not an easy decision, but it's a passion that drove him. He urged young Fijians to be law-abiding citizens and abstain from consuming illicit drugs that will drive a person onto a bleak future. Josea Nanunga, FBC News.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.